All right, we made it. Happy May Day, happy Friday. Here we go. X, d, a, t, p, b, y, k, v, I, s, z, o, j, k, e, g, a, f, w. All right. Now we're going to do some nonsense words. If you can, go ahead and turn the sound off. Give you a thumbs up when it's time to turn it back on. Madge, sub, hot, zep, cav, naz, fill, wap, sod, lob, din, kev, locks, puck, sov, dal, nud, cuff, ral, sep, hog. Okay. Great work. Let's move on to some sight words. From, after, stop, had, when, then, has, put, how, every, could, may, ask, let, old, were, over, his, no, once. All right. Okay, let's work on some sentences. So we've been talking about long O, long A, and long E without using magic silent E. Let's see what you remember. The first sentence I want you to write is, the road glows all day. 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 So we see the road, it's got long O in the middle of the word, so we know that's O-A. If you think about the word glow, we know that that has O at the end of the word, glow, and then the S makes that Z sound, and that's something that helps us to know that it's happening right now. The road glows all day. And day ends in A-Y, so that's long A. All right, the next one. We meet her toad. We meet her toad. We meet her toad. We, long E, just W and E, meet. So if you think about it, remember that t would just be met. So with two E's it makes meet. Her, toad. Toad, long O in the middle of the word, O and A together. Last but not least, the sentence is, we like May Day. That's today, May 1st. We like May Day. We like May Day. Okay. We like May Day. We like May Day. Great. So we, just W-E, and then May and day ending in A-Y. Great job, kids. We'll see you next time. These are the problems we'll be working on today. If you want to write these down by pausing the video right now, you can. Otherwise, you could just follow along. Right, hi kids. Welcome back to math. Yesterday we were talking about adding tens and ones to numbers that just have ones. Today, we're going to add numbers that have both numbers in the tens and the ones column. So, let's start with 20. So, 2 tens and 0 ones plus 15. 1 10 and 5 ones. Okay? So, in our first number, how many tens do we have? 2. 10, 20. How many ones do we have? None. How many tens do we have in 15? Oh, there's 1 10. So 1 10. Then how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we'll start by adding the ones together. We have 5 ones, and that's it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then over here, looks like we have 2 tens from the 20 and 1 from the 15, which leaves us 1, 2, and 3. So 3 tens and 5 ones. Let's check it out over here. So 0 plus 5, of course, leaves 5. And then we have 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have 3 tens and 5 ones, the same we have over here, which gives us 35. Great. All right. Our next problem asks us 35, 3 tens, 5 ones, plus 14, 1 10, 4 ones. So 5 plus 4 and 3 plus 1. Let's look at that over here. So to begin, if you look at 35, we have how many tens? We have 1, 2, 3 tens. And how many ones? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then in 14, we have 1 10, and then 4 ones. All right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, which gives us 9. Oh, sorry. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then over here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 10, 20, 30, and 40. So 4 tens and 9 ones. All right, let's come over here. 5 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, if you want to do it that way, or if you just know that fact, 5 plus 4 leaves 9 ones. And then 3 plus 1 makes 4. So we have 4 tens, 9 ones, 4 tens, 9 ones, gives us 49. Awesome. Next we have 32. So there's 3 tens, 2 ones, plus 23. Okay? So in the first number we have 3 tens, 10, 20, 30. And then we have 2 ones, 1, 2, so 32. And then we have 23, which is 2 tens and 1, 2, 3 ones. Okay, so we're going to put these together starting with the ones. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this number looks like 55. Let's check it out over here. So we have 2 plus 3. That makes 5. And then we have 3 plus 2, which of course also makes 5. So we have 5 tens and 5 ones, which is 55. Does that look like what we said it was going to be over here? It sure does. Let's keep going. All right. Next we have 43 plus 14. Plus 14. Okay? So, how many tens are there in 43? Well, here's the tens column, so 4. 10, 20, 30, and 40. How many ones are there? Why, there's 1, 2, and 3. Great. Then, how many tens do we have? We have 1 10. How many ones? 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. So, let's add up our ones. 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, 3 plus 4, I know that that's 7. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we have 4 plus 1, so that makes 5. We have 5 tens, which is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, if we look over here, we have 3 and 4 together, so 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 4 plus 1 is, of course, 5. So 43 plus 14 is 5 tens and 7 ones, which is also, of course, called 57. Okay. Next, we have 27 plus 22. Okay, so we have 2 tens and 27 and 7 ones. And then we have 2 tens. Oop, sorry about that. So we have 7 ones and 27. Then let's look at 22. We have 2 tens, and then we have 2 ones. So let's count them up. We have 7, 8, 9. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. And then we have 2 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. Great. Then here we have 7 plus 2 is, of course, 9. And 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. So 4 tens, 40, and 9 ones, 9. 49. All right. Last problem. Okay. Next we have 53 plus 21. Okay. So in 53 we have how many tens? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3. How many 10s in 21? 2, 10, 20. And how many 1s? Just 1. So we look over here. How many 1s do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s. And then we have 5 plus 2. So 50 plus 20 in 10s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 10s, and how many is that? 70. 70 and 4 1s make 74. Let's check over here. We have 3 plus 1. 1 more than 3 is, of course, 4. Then 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. 7 10s. So 7 10s and 4 1s is 74. Great job, kids. We'll see you next time.